Cya Liu is a Chinese actress and singer. In 2024, she starred in See Her Again. In 2022, she won Best Actress at the 40th Hong Kong Film Awards for her role Wong in Limbo. In 2021, she starred in We at That Time. In 2020, she starred in With You. She is the epitome of beauty and one of the few actresses who is full of astonishing abilities and talents, who never steps back in experimenting with her unique roles. In 2018, she starred in Be Careful Delicacy. In 2016, she starred in Women Must Be Stronger. The same year, she also played Chinese Paladin Season 5. The gorgeous actress has become quite famous among the public due to her fabulous acting skills. In 2015, she starred in You Are My Sisters. In 2024, she worked in movie The Hedgehog. Her understanding of professionalism and incredible physical appeal has earned her the right to be counted among the best in her profession. In 2023, she worked in movie The Magnificent She. In 2023, she worked in movie The Polar Odyssey. She displayed her wide range of acting skills in both the serious roles and dramatic roles equally. In 2022, she worked in movie Reunion Dinner. In 2016, she worked in movie Happiness. In 2014, she worked in movie Fleet of Time. She has attained quite much in her still early career and seems to be hungry for more and more.